All right, so I'm totally gonna wing this because honestly, I filmed a tutorial of how I do my brows at the end of my makeup routine, realized I wasn't actually recording and redid it, and by that time I had already done my brows. So we're just gonna explain it to you really quickly on how I complete my brow look when I do my makeup. So the first thing that I wanna mention is that I do have brow shading, which means I have semi-permanent brows. So they're kind of already shaded, they're already shaped for me, which makes it super easy, and I'm so grateful for that. But at the same time, I still like to define my brow hairs and create a little bit more definition with the pencil. So thanks to the influencer program and e.l.f. Cosmetics, I did receive the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow laminating gel, which essentially is what's kind of creating that laminated look, and then also the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil, which I actually have already used in the past and love very much. It's a very natural shade, not a ton of pigment, which I actually prefer, again, because my brows are shaded. Just to quickly explain how I do this in my routine, so after I'm done with my makeup routine, at the very end, I do actually use the spoolie on the end of the pencil to just gently remove any makeup that I have in the brow. I then take the laminating gel and I just make sure that the product is very minimal, because you do not need a lot of product. Less is definitely more with any laminating gel, to be honest with you. I do then just gently brush the hairs in the direction that I want them to lay. I then take, and forgive me, this is filthy because I use it so often, the bristled side of the brush, and then I actually kind of press the the brows into place so they stay in the direction that I'm wanting them to for the day. And then I take the comb side and I comb through and make them as fine as possible. Now I've had my brow set. Now we need just a little bit of touch up of color, so that's when I go in with the actual brow pencil itself and lightly graze over the brow, very, very gently, and then again take the spoolie and kind of blend the color in as natural as possible. I apologize, again, I promise you I had this like done in a routine so you could see it, but I figured this is better than nothing. I do recommend this e.l.f. brow laminating gel by far. I will tell you that I've tried multiple laminating gels from prestige cosmetic brands and beyond, and to be honest with you, this is the one I'm the most happy with. I feel like it is the less heavy on my face, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like I actually have like hair gel on my brows, for example. And the e.l.f. brow pencil, to be honest with you, again, I've used this before. I love it so much. If you're looking for just soft pigmentation with an attached spoolie, this is definitely the one to go for. All right, I hope you enjoy. Thank you.